Every TouchUp Direct order comes with a test card. For this video, we're going to show you how to use the test card with the TouchUp pen, brush, or combo applicator. This is the test card that will be included with your order. Open it up, and inside you'll find a nice area to test your color with. Also, some useful information on our color match guarantee. We went ahead and applied some of the gray paint to match this mirror on this test card already. We'll hold it up and you can see that it's a nice match. We're going to show you how to do this. First, we'll begin with the TouchUp brush. Unscrew the cap. Remove excess paint by just scraping it along the edge. And then apply a small amount to the corner. We recommend on the corner so that it's easier to compare the color to the color on your vehicle. Put one coat on, let it dry. Usually you'll need 2 to 3 coats of color and 2 to 3 coats of clear coat. Let it dry. Now we're ready to apply a coat of clear coat. Let it dry. Now that we've applied the color and the clear, we can hold the test card against the vehicle. In this case, I see that it's a good match. We're ready to proceed with our TouchUp project. The process for the TouchUp pen is the same. However, the TouchUp pen is designed for smaller damaged areas, little nicks and scratches. It's important with the TouchUp pen to only dab very small areas. Let it dry. Now we're ready to apply a coat of clear coat. Now that we've applied the color and the clear, we can hold the test card against the vehicle. Good match. We're ready to proceed with our TouchUp project.